Fetchers! Magandang umaga!
Magandang umaga, kape-kape sa malamig na panahon dito sa Nagaoka, Japan.
And ohayo gozaimasu, minasan!
Ohayo gozaimasu!
Tita Mary, I want to know the word of autumn in Japanese. Word for the day. Listen to Mary Tur Sensei.
Autumns in Nihongo ay aki.
Aki. Aki.
Yan po ang word for today.
Oh, ano naman yan? Nandyan sa harapan.
Ito ay Filipino food.
Oh.
May enjoy niyo po ito tuwing umaga with kape.
Okay, don't forget to order through Mr. Inomata English Sweets Department. And how much does it cost? You will love it. As big as this.
100 yen lang.
Diba? So, ano pa inaantay nyo? Order na!
Sulit.